Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? How are you feeling? How's life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well. If not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU, no, I wanted to kind of do it like a soap opera or like a telenovela. Or it's like, I just don't know how to edit with the dun dun dun. Anyway, today I am unboxing my Allure Beauty Box, April of 2019, and let's get started. I don't want this video to be like super long and dragged out because, you know, I can ramble on for a long time. I want to get started quickly, so let's see what's inside. They used to sell them in these red boxes back in the day, and now they started putting them in these bags. So let's see what color bag we have today. So here we go with a little booklet, and we have, oh, we got a clear bag this time. Now, since January, I think that's when they did the changes. We've had plastic. Is it January? Because I think we had a red one, a black one, like a milky white one. That's the one that came ripped for me. And then this clear one, yeah. So this is the clear one. Is this one ripped? Nope, it looks sealed. Looks sealed, looks good, looks good. And this box has Carly Bible. I think is her name. Carly Bible. Sorry, Carly. I don't know who you are. But she's very beautiful. There she is there on the cover. She said, it says that she helped pick out the products that were in this April box. Blah, 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 blah. So let's get started. Like I said, I don't want to go into too much into this box because I think you've all seen this box by a lot of people, and I don't know, do we all get the same stuff? Comment down below, let me know. Oh, and if you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Yeah, subscribe button and the bell to be notified of all my future videos. And also, I'll be doing live streams now because y'all helped me get to 1K. Yay! So I will be live streaming, hopefully, when I get the nerve, because I'm kind of nervous right now. So it says you're going to want to see this. We're giving you an exclusive sneak peek at all your favorite brands coming up in May. So I'm going to scratch this. Now, if you don't want to see what's coming in May, then fast forward the video, and then you won't see. You won't see what's happening. So let's see. Oh, I think I'm scratching this too hard. I don't have any change right here. So I'm using these scissors. Oh man, this looks terrible. Oh, here we go. My pen. Let's see, what do you think we got? Comment down below. What are you looking for in a box? That's the question. What do you want to see in a future box? Comment. Maybe, hopefully, one of these beauty subscription boxes are looking, you know, they're seeing this video and they're reading the comments and they're seeing what everybody wants. What do you want to see in an Allure's beauty box next month? So, like I said, if you don't want to see, don't fast forward this video. So, hopefully you can see. There you are there. Those are the items that will be coming in May, which is too little for me to see. It's gonna be a lippy, a Laneige moisture cream, Monaco lippy. It looks like a selfless tanner because it has like a mitten. Youth Revolution Radiant Cream Mask, Lule by John Sale. I don't know what it is though. A cleansing balm, and I don't know what these little packages. Anti-frizz serum. I don't know. Let's go ahead and see what's inside of this beautiful see-through bag. I think these are good for like the airports. I think even if you go visit people in certain places, they want you to have a see-through bag, or you work in certain, I think if you work in certain facilities, they want you to have a see-through bag, like behind the counter of like Macy's, Nordstrom's, on the beauty counters. These are good for that. So let me stop talking. So the first thing I see is this Luxie brush. Awesome. Can never use too many brushes. And I love these tapered blending brushes. Oh, it's nice because they get in and they I like to apply them inside of my crease, and usually on the sides here too. So let me show this beautiful 231 small tapered blending. Can you see that? Yeah, because I can't see my monitor, so hopefully you can read that. If no, you're out of luck. And there is the, and it's so soft and pretty. So I'm gonna put that in my stash. Oh, let me put it on the side too when we do recaps. Then I also received a Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil in the color brown. I'm not gonna swatch it. You all want me to swatch this? This is for your brows, right? No, eyeliner. So what's this? Oh, duh. It's a mechanical one. Okay. I thought there was something magical on this side. A brown eyeliner. Then we also have an Anastasia, my kids always correct me, Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. And let's Pure Hollywood. There it is. I've seen a few unboxes. I think I've seen a couple people with the same. Oh, I can't do this color, Anastasia. It makes me look like it makes me look like I don't have enough life in me. Pure Hollywood liquid lipstick. Look at that. That looks more like like an under eye concealer. Oh man, I feel jolly like old Saint Nick right now, I swear. So that's the color. I don't want to swatch. I don't know if I want to swatch this because I don't want to swatch it and then I keep it because this color might not look good on me. It's like the same color of my skin. So let me not swatch that. Maybe I'll give it away to one lucky viewer. And what is this? This is Phenomenal. Up to 10 days from one application. Contains organic tan infused cloth for face and body. Oh, there's two in here. Okay. So it's a face. No. Remove cloth from sachet and wipe onto clean exfoliated skin in large circular movements. Use a clean damp cloth to remove excess tan. Oh, tan. Is this tanning sheets? Oh, organic tan infused. For some reason, I was thinking organic tan infused cloth meant the cloth was the tan color. What the hell am I thinking? Yeah, I'm kind of scared to use these things, and I don't think one or I don't know. No, I don't know if I'll be using this. I'm kind of scared that I'll turn orange. I think the last time I tried to use something like this was in like grammar school. Me and my girlfriend were using it, and I had like orange spots around like my shit, my elbows and my knees. They were just like really patchy dark and everything. I looked a hot mess. I was orange, so I don't think I'll be using no tan sheets. And then we got the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Protection. There you go there. I'll give that to my daughter because she can use that. And then last but not least, we have a Natasha Denona 124K bronzage. Kind of looks like bondage, but bronze. Ooh, that is pretty. Look at that. Is this color in my other Natashas? Is that color in here? No. Okay. I thought it was maybe in this one because I bought these little palettes from Sephora. This is the Mini Star palette. So I thought it was in here. But no. It says Bellatrix. No. Let me check. No, it's not. See, isn't this pretty? I bought this one. This one's so cute. But anyways, I digress. Nope. That is a beautiful, beautiful color. Let's see. So, ooh, I love her. And of course, I'm using the finger that was burned. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is a beautiful color. Got it all over my finger. So that's beautiful. Actually, I can compare this to something else that I bought the other day. So if I find it, I will compare the two. But that's the color there. So this is 124K bronzage. Let me show you because I might be saying it wrong. But this is beautiful. Love it. What is this worth? What is this worth? What did I do with the little paper? Oh, here it is. Does it say how much it's worth? Okay, so let's recap everything. Briogeo, the full size of this is $24. The Vida Liberata Phenomenal Organic Tan Infused Cloths is $25 for a pack of 8, $39 for a pack of 16. So this is self-tanning cloths. Then we also received the Laura Geller. I like Laura Geller's products. Laura Geller waterproof gel eyeliner pencil, $22. Then we got the Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush rose gold. This is $12 just for the brush alone. The Natasha Denona mono eyeshadow. Why is that? Shades may vary, so let me know what shade you got in your box. Did you get the same one? Did you get something different? Let me know. Comment down below. This is actually $27 for this just one palette. I bought this entire palette at Sephora for $25. Just an FYI. This one alone is worth $27. And you all know her larger palette's like $230 or $129. Anyway, I digress again. And Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Pure Hollywood is $20. And that was this one here. So what do you think of the Allure box? The Allure box is only $10 a month. I got my money's worth right off the bat. Hell yeah, I got my money's worth, which is phenomenal, especially if you're looking for Natasha Denona. Now, I probably would have preferred a different color, but this color is beautiful. I probably could have put some on now. But let me know in the comment section what you get. Did you get the same thing? Did you get the same brush? Did you get the same color? Comment down below and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you like and you really enjoy my content and my video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, so that everyone can start seeing my videos, because the more likes I get, the YouTube will start putting my stuff out there for everybody else to enjoy. So thank you for hanging out with me today, and I will talk to you in the next one. Hasta Laterz.